friends, let's see today's lovely leftover rice recipe. So here I have some leftover basmati rice. You can use regular rice also, about 2 cups of rice. This is 1 medium onion sliced fine. This is a paste of 2 light green chilies and 4 cloves of garlic. This is 2 potatoes that are boiled and sliced, 2 carrots sliced and 1 capsicum sliced. This is 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 2 packets of chicken cubes. Heat a pan, and now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up really well. So now that our oil is nice and hot, we're first going to add the carrots and fry them, just flash fry them. That is for hardly half a minute. We're going to fry each of the vegetables, and as the vegetables get ready or get fried a little, we're going to take them out in a separate plate. So here you can see I'm just frying these carrots for about half a minute. We don't want to really fry them a lot, just a little. And once they're done, we're just going to take them out in a plate. Now with the potatoes, I have used boiled potatoes, but if you have raw potatoes, just wash them well, peel them, and cut them up into, how you would do for French fries. And you have to fry those also till they're golden brown. Now here I'm using boiled potatoes since I had boiled potatoes at hand. I'm just going to add those potatoes and I'm going to fry them till they're nice and crispy and golden brown. So the potatoes we have to fry a little bit more till they're nice and golden brown. So now you can see that the potatoes have become nice and golden brown and crispy. So we'll take out the potatoes. Next we're going to add in the capsicum. And again, flash fry the capsicum. By flash fry, I mean just fry them really on a high flame for a very little time. So when the veggies turn from, their normal color to a little bit of a white color. So once the capsicum is also fried, just take it out of the pan. And now we're going to add the onions, and we're going to fry the onions till they're nice and crispy and golden brown in color. So in this way, we're just going to fry the onions. The onions will take a little longer time than the rest of the veggies, so it took me about 1 whole minute on a medium to very high flame, stirring continuously. Don't leave it unattended, otherwise it will burn. So just keep stirring it till it turns into a nice crispy golden brown color. And now you can see our onions are also ready. So I'm going to lower the flame and I'm just going to take off the onions in the same plate. Now to the same oil, I'm going to add this green chili and garlic paste. And we're going to fry this paste really well. So you can adjust it as per your liking, whether you want it very spicy or you just want it mild. And now fry this paste really well till the rawness of the garlic goes away. And now, once the paste is really fried well, we're going to add all the veggies back to the pan. This is completely optional, but I'm adding a little bit of cashew nuts. Mix everything really nicely together. And now we're going to add some lovely flavoring, which is the pepper powder. So add this pepper powder, black pepper powder, and again mix everything really nicely together. And now we're going to add the rice. So like I said, I'm using yesterday's leftover basmati rice, but I did put it in the fridge in the night so that it becomes nice and easy. Each of the grains are separated. Now, if you want to see how I cook my rice so that it doesn't become mushy, I'll leave a link of how to cook basmati rice. You can also use regular cooked rice, whatever leftover rice you have. Now mix everything really nicely with the veggies, the pepper powder, all of it nicely together. And now that everything is mixed well, I'm going to add these Maggie, soup cubes. Now I'm using the chicken flavor, but you can also use the veg flavor if you want to stick to it completely veg. I like the chicken flavor. It really enhances the taste of the dish, and I'm using two of them. So when you're using these cubes, you don't have to add any salt because these cubes have got a lot of salt in them. So please don't add any salt to this recipe. Mix everything very well together, and that's it, guys. Your lovely, you can call this a pulao or just a mixed veg rice recipe. And here is this yummalicious rice all ready. It's a great tiffin recipe or just something you can put together in a jiffy.
Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.